Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to One of Mine. Now today we have the wheeled rechargeable RGB puck lights. We're going to break these down, so let's get right into the video. Alright, so when it comes with the puck lights are going to be 38 bucks for a pack of 6. So we had bought 6 of them. I only have one in my hand. As you can see, I have some set up here, and there's one for my wife's displays as well. But it comes in a pack of 6. So you get these little puck size looking lights, which are going to be slimmer and better to put under your cabinet, under your showcase displays like this, or wherever you're going to use them. So you will get 6 of them for 38 bucks. There is a coupon as well for 10% off on Amazon. So right under the price, you'll see a little box. Make sure you click that and save some money on the displays. Now, I'll put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and check it out yourselves. And when you guys click that link or use it, I get a little commission for sending you over there. It makes Amazon have to pay me. Now, when it comes to the battery life that you're going to get out of this puck light, they're saying up to 12 hours on max brightness, which is really good. So you don't have to worry about changing this so much, because I'm pretty sure everyone's going to turn these off, multiple times and stuff. So you could definitely have these on almost all night, probably 2 nights in a row if you're using them in your kitchen. And you probably have to charge it that next morning for the day, and then put them back up there for the 2 nights. Now, there's multiple ways to control this. You can just tap this for the RGB. If you tap it, you'll get the white, and then you'll get your red, you will get your green, and then with the last tap, you'll get the blue. You'll get the RGB colors. But one option as well is you have the remote. Now with the remote, you will get way more color options here. You got the red, the green, you'll get more of like a darker blue, a teal, a yellow, a light blue, more of like a baby blue, a purple, and then let's see here, what is this? Orange and white. So you get way more colors with the remote. So if you guys want to use that, so you do have another option right here. As you can see, you have the fade option that you can hit on the remote. And with that, instead of just being a solid color, you can give it more life. So you can give your display or your kitchen a little bit more life with the lights, as it just, slowly disappears and it comes back as a different color. So you can have that different fade option with the puck light as well. So you do have a smooth option also. The smooth option basically just slowly just stays solid, and it will slowly just, switch to a different color, but the color doesn't fade away. So you don't get that darkness for a little bit. It'll just stay there and then slowly switch into a different color if you want to do that also. So we dimmed the lights down a little bit in here. So now we're going to do the brightness. Now you can switch between 30, 50, and 100 brightness. So you don't have it too bright if you want. So we'll turn this on. And as you guys can see here, we're going to switch between 30. Oh, let me get it where you guys can really see. There we go. 30, 50, and 100. So you can switch between those brightnesses and get the one that you want. But also, we'll put on 100. Say you don't want to go grab the controller. You can just hold it, and it will slowly bring the brightness down as well. And if you just you tap and hold it again, it'll just bring the brightness back up. So you have those different ways. You can use the remote, or you can just use the touch control on the puck light to switch between the brightnesses and find that perfect one for you. I like to just hold it and switch between my displays, because that brightness will hold. We'll turn it off, turn it back on, and that same brightness will still be there. So if you have, let's just say here, I wanted a brighter brightness here. Let's do it all the way up. And then I wanted this one to be lighter, and let's turn this one on, and that one to be brighter. So you will be able to adjust on your displays if the light is just bouncing off of different ways. You can hand do it yourself and get the display perfect for each different level in your kitchen, your display setup, or whatever you're showcasing. So now we have everything off here. We're going to just turn this one on individually. There's one over there you guys can't see, but I could turn it on and off as well by pointing this on. That one ended up coming on. I'm gonna turn that one off. Let's see here, off. That one stayed on. We'll turn that one off as well. As you see here, this one, even though I'm pressing off, it is staying on unless I point it here, turn that one on, and then we'll just aim this one, then we'll do this one. See, these two, since they're so close, they always come on together. But if you have them a little bit more spread out, you'll be able to do it. But if you wanted to just turn them all off at once, it'll turn off, and it's just on, and on. So sometimes when you aim it, you'll be able to, choose which one you really want to work on. and get that perfect lighting for you. So let's see if we can just turn this one red at the top, and then this one we want to turn, let's do purple. Let's pick that red, and then let's do like yellow down here. So just pinning it closer help me, switch to different color options as well. Like I said, you're gonna get 6 puck lights. You're gonna get 2 remotes. So if you have, you can use 3 of them in the kitchen, 3 of them on your display, because all I needed was 3 here. My wife has 1 on her soon-to-be display because she's gonna have her own 3, so she can have her own remote. And then they will give you 2 USB-C. Oh man, actually, so there is 3 multi-USB charges on here, which is really good. So you just need 1 brick and you'll be able to charge 3 pucks at a time. Same with this one. So they give you 6, so you can charge all 6 of the lights together. And then you will have 2 extra magnets. So you're gonna get 2 extra magnets if you have any that mess up and don't stick well. And I wanna give you a tip on that as well, because I had this problem with my motion lights where they still fall off, and I had one with the puck light as well. It fell down from where it was sticking. So the tip is here, if you do have the adhesive that just won't stick to certain surfaces, I have the command strips. This is the poster one. There is posters, and then there's the Velcro runs. The command strips are like my favorite. I use them for mostly my hose setup. I have stuff all over the place that are just held up by command strips. But with the poster one, you'll just put it on the sticky part of the adhesive and then stick it to your wall and stuff. I know this because of my motion sensor lights all over my house. They fell with just the regular adhesive that came with the packaging, and then I just used these poster ones since I have so many. I used these and it held really good. I never had a problem again with these. And one of these puck lights also gave me that issue, which I'm gonna put up on my wife's display because hers is the one that fell. And hopefully we get the same outcome where it's not gonna go anywhere and stick. And I like using the poster one because it's thinner. When you use you can use the Velcro one, but it's gonna be way thicker, and they're already thick where they, bulge out some. So if you want to add a little bit more adhesiveness, you can go with the command strips posters. I put the link down in the description below for you guys to, just in case if you guys want to get these. They really come in handy, and the Velcro ones are amazing as well. All right, so there you have it. That is the Wild rechargeable RGB puck lights. Now you can get them in different color. You can get the RGB, or you can get the warm and cool white color option as well, which I wish I would have got because I really don't need all the different colors. I might need them. It might make the setup look better, but we'll see. But if you don't want those, there is that option where you don't have to worry about having all the different red, blue, green, and all that. So those are your different options for you. So I'll put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and check it out yourselves. And don't forget to use the coupon code. It's gonna be right under the price right there on Amazon if they're still having the 10% off of your purchase of the puck lights. But yeah, holiday season is coming, and if you know someone that has like just a regular shelf that they're displaying stuff, like my wife has her BTS stuff like right behind this camera, and her new Pop Mart stuff, or like I'll have this. If you know anyone that has that, if you could definitely get them puck lights since Christmas is coming. A great holiday gift to help display their figures, objects, whatever they have here, and that they're really showing off, and give the light to give it more pop and make it look way different and way cooler. Alrighty then, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see all of you in my next one. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace.